Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we got just the two ways. I'll show you the first one right now. So just with your two fingers move to the center at the same time, and here you'll see on the left down corner the wallpapers icon, and just as can you see, we can from the local photos on our device, from the pre-installed, from the live wallpapers, and also we got here the online wallpapers. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you will see them, or you can here select from the different categories. So and just click, for example, to the folder where you want to choose the screen, the wallpapers for your lock screen, for example, and now just tap here to apply. One more time, apply, and here just select the home screen or lock screen. In our case, this is the lock screen. And the second way, that's just you should go to the settings, and here scroll down to the wallpaper section, and now at the same way you can see all the folders, all the wallpaper that you can just apply on your screen. And in this case, for example, we'll select for example, this wallpaper. Now just tap here to apply and set as a lock screen. And as can you see, we got here the message that our wallpaper applied successfully, and now we'll check that. Yes, can you see right now we got here the new lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.